The Apollo 11 moon landing, a historic achievement. The Apollo 11 mission, conducted by NASA, marked a monumental moment in human history as it achieved the first successful manned landing on the moon. This historic event took place from July 16th to July 24th, 1969, and was a significant milestone in the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Mission overview. The primary objective of Apollo 11 was to fulfill President John F. Kennedy's national goal of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to Earth 1. The mission was crewed by 3 astronauts: Commander Neil Armstrong, Lunar Module Pilot Edwin Buzz Aldrin, and Command Module Pilot Michael Collins II. Launch and journey. Apollo 11 launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida on July 16, 1969, atop a Saturn V rocket 2. The spacecraft consisted of 3 parts: the Command Module, Columbia, the Service Module, and the Lunar Module, Eagle. After reaching Earth orbit, the spacecraft performed a translunar injection to set it on course for the Moon 1. Lunar landing. On July 20, 1969, the Lunar Module Eagle separated from the Command Module and descended to the Moon's surface too. At 2017 UTC, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin successfully landed in the Sea of Tranquility, a basaltic plain on the Moon 2. Armstrong's famous words as he stepped onto the lunar surface, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," were broadcast to an estimated 650 million people worldwide. 1. Exploration and experiments. Armstrong and Aldrin spent approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes outside the lunar module, collecting samples, taking photographs, and conducting experiments too. They deployed scientific instruments, including a seismometer to measure moonquakes and a retroreflector to reflect laser beams from Earth, which helped measure the distance between the Earth and the Moon 1. Return to Earth. After 21 hours and 36 minutes on the lunar surface, Armstrong and Aldrin lifted off in the lunar module's ascent stage to rejoin Michael Collins in the Command Module 2. The crew then began their journey back to Earth, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean on July 24, 19692. They were recovered by the USS Hornet and underwent a quarantine period to ensure they had not brought back any harmful lunar pathogens. 1. Legacy. The Apollo 11 mission was a triumph of human ingenuity, determination, and international cooperation. It not only demonstrated the technological capabilities of the time, but also inspired generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM. The mission's success paved the way for future lunar explorations and remains a symbol of what humanity can achieve when united by a common goal.